Kane is in the building.
G'day guys, today I'll show you how to release the upper traps without having to pay for a massage therapist. Let's have a look and see how it's done. Okay, so one of my favourite upper trap deep tissue releases, I can do all of the manual work myself. Just put enough weight on the bar so that you can really sort of push into it at whatever intensity that you need without the bar moving. And you're really just going fishing. You just sort of, playing around through the levator scap, upper trap, just looking for areas, that are tight and holding tension and feel kind of, stiff and rigid, and just trying to get that freedom through the neck. When organs are overloaded, there's a lot of tension goes into the upper traps. When we sit, they're overloaded. When the lower traps and the mid traps aren't working properly, they get really tight and active. So, releasing them is a really good idea, especially before upper body training. And this is, one of my favorites. Just use the part of the barbell that's nice and shiny and soft compared to the knurled area, and you should get a great release from it. Cheers, guys.